How to fix the messenger notifications not working issue on Honor 200. So to fix this issue, first of all open messenger app and then close it. So do it 2 to 3 times. Open the messenger, go to the recents app and close the messenger app. So when you will do it 2 to 3 times, it will fix the messenger notifications issue. But after this, if you are still facing the issue, then open settings, tap on sound and vibration, and then tap on do not disturb. Now here in do not disturb, you will see a do not disturb button on the top. So if this button is turned on, then you will not receive any notification. So to receive the messenger notifications, tap on this button to turn it off. And after turning off this button, the messenger notification issue will be fixed. But somehow if you are still facing the issue while receiving the messenger notifications, then the last solution is open Play Store, go to the search bar and search for messenger app. Now from here check if your messenger app is updated or not. So if the messenger app is not up to date, then here it will show a update option. So tap on update, and after updating the messenger app, the notifications issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the messenger notifications not working issue on Honor 200. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.